we're going to take out the P15, and we've had a couple of flights with it, or should I say we've had a couple of fights with it. I've done some mods to it. I've snapped the wing, and we've added some beautiful gravel rash decaling underneath there, and sort of give the nose a bit of a bump, and you know, still flies nice. So what we have done is we've put some clear tape over the edges, over the stickers, just to make sure they don't come off, because they do start to lift, I have found. So this is the 64mm EDF jet that flies really nice. You need a lot of up trim, you need a lot of up. So the canopy just comes off like that, very nice, with the little latchy. So what I did, I explained it in a previous video, I didn't want to bastardize this and take the plastic off it to put the FPV gear on. I thought, having a 3D printer, why not print one? So the first one I did, I printed just as a prototype. So I've got the underside here. This is the, I don't know if you can see that there, but it's got a little standoff there, and these black marks here are just so that I can get my measurement up and my width, so that I can get the shape right. So this is the first one I printed, and if you hold it up to the light, you can see the honeycomb through there. So for those that don't know, your 3D printer will print anywhere from sort of 20% right up to 100% solid. This is 20%, so obviously it makes that structure inside. So this is the first one. I thought I'd put a hole in there. This one was 5 hours of printing at a speed of 55mm a second, and the bed temperature was 55 degrees, and the nozzle temperature was 220. So to get that shape, what I did is I built a raft. So, and I think you can still see a little bit of it just there, sort of breaking away. So that was the first one I tried, and when I put it in there, I realised that a little bit too narrow there, and a little bit too kind of long. So then I made prototype number 2, which we came out here to test, and smacked the wing, broke it, and then never got to fly FPV. So this one fits in, but it's got about 2mm of slop, and you can see I put some slots in there just to sort of lighten it up, and to sort of hold on a battery / transmitter and your camera. And that one still, again, 25% holes in there. And then of course the third one, which was the final one, which is the one that actually fits. So you can see here the nozzle, the nose piece is bigger, and you can see the 2mm. I don't know whether you can see that real good there, but that is wider than that. This little tacker now fits in there nicely. So if you have a look on the nose, it's got a couple of mil gap, and if we slide that in there, you can see there that is now nice and snug. It's snug on the nose, and it's snug up there. So I could have actually probably drawn that back a few millimeters and trimmed that off, but you know, hey. So that's the plane, that's the nose. We're going to take it up FPV and give it a run, see how we go, and give her a scream. It is fairly windy, so you can tell the wind is coming from that direction, so it should be a bit easier to launch, but probably a bit harder to fly. That's why I'm facing this way. Hopefully I'm not getting all that noise, wind noise in the video. So that's him.